Hello, dear researchers, professors, and colleagues from all the different fields. Thank you for your attendance and interest in this present paper. My name is Younes Iderdar, and I am a PhD student from the University of Hassan First, specifically from the Laboratory of Health Sciences and Technologies in the Higher Institute of Health Sciences. In this presentation, I would like to show you the contribution of Morocco to the global traumatic brain injury research. The indication of this paper lays in its importance to show the progress of TBI research in Morocco and compare it to the global results. Traumatic brain injury, or TBI, is a sudden injury that causes damage to the brain. It may happen when there is a blow, bump, or jolt to the head, and this is a closed head injury. A TBI can also happen when an object penetrates the skull, and this is a penetrating injury, such as from a gunshot. Symptoms of TBI can be mild, moderate, or severe. The effects can sometimes be serious, but sometimes in more severe TBI, the effects can be too serious and lead to death. The leading causes of this problem are falls, motor vehicle accidents, sports injuries, violent crimes. TBI can also be caused by medical malpractice, such as a misdiagnosis or a surgical mistake. According to the World Health Organization, TBI affects 10 million people annually. And after a TBI, many years of productive life are lost, and many people must endure years of disability. Further, it imposes high financial consequences on people, families, and society. In Morocco, according to the analysis report of statistics of road traffic accidents, in 2013, the incidence of road accidents was nearly 68,000 accidents, with approximately 3,800 deaths, and with an average of 10 deaths each day, and more than 100,000 injured, including approximately 11,000 seriously injured, and about half of the traumatic deaths were due to traumatic brain injury. And in order to achieve our goal, we developed a search strategy that will help us find all the publications related to TBI. And we used all the terms that could refer to TBI. The search was conducted on May 2020, and we used 3 academic databases to conduct this search: Scopus, Web of Science, and PubMed. These 3 databases were used to assess the contribution of Morocco to TBI research. The results in the table show differences in terms of the number of published articles. As you can see here, the total number of records published in all over the world is estimated with thousands of records. But in the meanwhile, only few articles were published in Morocco. In the second column, you can see the different keywords used to obtain all the records related to TBI. And in the third column, you can see that we merged both columns, the second and the third, to obtain the records published by Morocco. As you can see here in this figure, Morocco has only 10 articles in Scopus, 8 in Web of Science, and 4 in PubMed. So if we compare the records of Morocco with the total global records, we can say that the contribution of Morocco is less than 0.1% in all databases. In this figure, you can see the evolution of published records in the 3 databases, and we can conclude that there is an increasing in the number of publications each year. After seeing the figure 1 and figure 2, we can say that Morocco has a small contribution on the global research, with a remarkable slow progress in TBI research. While some countries have made progress, others remain far behind in terms of willingness and capacity to conduct TBI research. TBI occurs mainly in countries with low and middle income, which indicates a structural deficiency that stems from a number of circumstances, including low interest in TBI academic papers, a lack of public backing, and insufficiency of research resources. As a conclusion, however, considerable progress has been achieved in the area of prevention: helmets, airbags, seat belts, and so on. But policymakers should push themselves to look for the reasons that prevented TBI research from being a field of interest. Despite considerable difficulties, Morocco has seen a very slow progress in TBI research. Encouraging academics from many professions and sectors to conduct more TBI research will help in preventing a high number of deaths, raising awareness, and lowering the costs of TBI. Thank you so much.